How can you increase your effectiveness or get better results? How can we become better at work and in our personal relationships and tasks that we do at home? Hi, my name is Taimur Miri. I am a MCC and a Gallup certified strength coach, an advanced certified team coach. As you all know, ICF is celebrating its 25th anniversary of International Coaching Week, and it kicks off on the 8th of May, and ICE, International Coaching Education, will be running 5 events starting on the 6th of May, running all the way through to the 13th of May. And I'm going to talk to you about the event on the 13th of May. It's called Strength Workshop. I run this program pretty much every month, and it's a 3-hour workshop. You can go to icoachingeducation.com, our website, and get more details on the workshop and how to sign up for it. And what I would say is this workshop, prior to coming to the workshop, you will be getting a free code to do an assessment. That assessment identifies some really valuable information around your dominant talents that are defining how you automatically think, what you're drawn towards, how you feel towards those activities, and also the behaviors that are naturally in various scenarios that are naturally coming out without you having to think about it. Now, why is that important? Because we take that information as talents that can be developed. And the whole idea is about developing those talents into strengths. And the strengths, by that I mean for you to be able to pick up an activity, whether at work or home, and be able to draw on those talents and invest in them, meaning add the relevant knowledge and skill and experience so that you can become extremely good at delivering those tasks and activities. Now, this workshop will talk through a 3-step model that, in essence, you can take any goal that you have that's of value to you and apply that model using your dominant talents that we will talk through and understand more and become more aware of, in order to be able to develop yourself and move towards getting the results you want by delivering the outcomes or the goals that you've set yourself. I really look forward to seeing you there. I'm very excited to run this workshop at the International Coaching Week. Hence, we've given a promotional offer in terms of registering. I think it's a 40% discount on our normal price, and I really look forward to working with you in that workshop. Please go to our website and sign up, and you will receive the code and all the necessary details shortly afterwards. Thanks for listening. See you there.